Is death optional? Ray Kurzweil human immortality predictions say, yes, and the date is sooner than you think. We are talking about human immortality 2030. Is human immortality possible? For centuries, immortal human characters like Alucard or Ban in immortal human anime made us dream of eternal life. But this isn't fiction anymore. How close are we to human immortality, really? According to futurists, we're approaching longevity escape velocity. This is where AI and human immortality collide. The theory? By 2030, for every year you survive, science adds more than a year to your lifespan, effectively human or immortal at least biologically. People are freaking out. If you Google Reddit human immortality possible, you'll find thousands of people convinced that immortal human beings on Earth will be a reality in our lifetime. We are seeing evidence of human immortality research accelerating. With human immortality AI tech, nanobots could repair the immortality of human body cells faster than they age. But will human immortality ever be possible without consequences? Some philosophies discuss human immortality and pre-existence, asking if our souls are already eternal. If a human achieves immortality, do we lose our humanity? If human immortality possible becomes a reality, would you take the pill? Or is 80 years enough? Don't forget to subscribe for more deep dives. See you in the future.